How to fix 503 service unavailable. The 503 service unavailable error is a standard HTTP response status code indicating that the server is temporarily unable to handle the request. This status code implies that the server is not ready to handle the request at the moment, either due to overloading, maintenance, or some other temporary condition. Here are the key points to understand about the 503 service unavailable error. 1. Temporary nature asterisk. The 503 error suggests that the unavailability is temporary. It is not a permanent condition but rather a situation that should be resolved, allowing the server to handle requests again. 2. Server overload asterisk. One common reason for a 503 error is server overload or excessive traffic. When a server receives more requests than it can handle, it may respond with a 503 error to indicate that it is currently overwhelmed. 3. Maintenance asterisk. Websites and web services sometimes go through maintenance or updates. During this period, the server might be intentionally taken offline, leading to a 503 response for any incoming requests. 4. Backend server issues asterisk. If the server is experiencing issues with its backend systems or dependencies, it may be unable to process requests, resulting in a 503 error. 5. Retrying the request asterisk. Clients, such as web browsers, encountering a 503 error are often encouraged to retry the request after some time. This is because the error is expected to be temporary, and the server may become available again. 6. Custom error pages asterisk. Website administrators can customize the appearance of the 503 error page to provide more information to users. This may include details about the nature of the unavailability and an estimated time for resolution. 7. Proxy servers asterisk. In some cases, proxy servers, or gateways between the client and the backend server may also return a 503 error if they are unable to communicate with the server. Here's a simple example of a 503 response in an HTTP header. http:/1.1 service unavailable content type, text/HTML retry after, 3600 In this example, the retry after header indicates the number of seconds the client should wait before attempting to retry the request. It's a way for the server to suggest when it expects to be available again. If you encounter a 503 error while trying to access a website or service, it's advisable to wait for a while and then try again. If the issue persists, it may be worthwhile to check for announcements or updates from the website administrators regarding maintenance or server problems.